Hello everyone. Welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA 2026.1 on Windows 11 and run your first simple Java project step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and type on search bar IntelliJ IDEA download, then press enter. Go to the official JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA download page. Click the download button for Windows. The installer file will start downloading. Please wait until the download is complete. Download completed. After downloading, open the setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. IntelliJ IDEA setup wizard will appear. Click Next to continue. Now choose the installation options. You can enable Create desktop shortcut, add IntelliJ IDEA to path add. Open folder as project. Click Next. Now click the Install button. The installation process will begin. Please wait a few minutes while IntelliJ IDEA installs on Windows 11. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You can also select Run IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA 2026.1 will now launch for the first time. During the first launch, IntelliJ IDEA may configure some components. After setup is complete, you will see the welcome screen. Click on New Project. Select Java from the left sidebar. Type Java project name. If IntelliJ IDEA detects your JDK automatically, select it. If not, click Add JDK and choose the installed JDK folder. Choose the project location and click Create. Your Java project is now ready. Your Java project is now ready. Inside the project panel, right-click on the src folder. Go to New Java class. Enter the class name as main. Then press enter. Now click the green Run button at the top, or right-click inside the code and select Run Main. The program will compile and run. At the bottom console window, you will see Hello World. Congratulations! You have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA 2026.1 and run your first Java project on Windows 11.